So I'm putting up some more temporary fence. I let the cows over here. I didn't have any hay bales rolled out this winter on this part of the cow pasture. So I rolled some out and they ate all that. Then they started eating the grass. So I put another bale out here, but now all they want is grass and there's no talking them out of it. All right, I got the temporary fence up. Fiberglass post, polybraid wire. It goes down that little gate down there. So they just have this little section right here. Not a lot of grass in here. I need to throw out some grass seed and put a hay bale here for them. Here's a little idea that might help you if you use polybraid wire to section off your cow pasture like I do. When I would hook the connector up to get the power, it would always slide down, even up at the post. It would always slide down and make your fence low like that. So what I did was I took some electric fence wire, made a little loop, put it on there, and now it stays tight. Okay, are y'all ready? Well, they got what they wanted, so I guess they're happy now.